Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can level up your slides or presentation like a PowerPoint in Canva. So first up here, open up your Canva, and here you want to search for a keyword like this. So I'm going to paste this in the description. And then here, as you can see all the designs, then we're going to select this one. So we're going to put here at the top left and resize it like this. Next, we're going to just right click and then duplicate, then create another one right here at the bottom right. Then we're going to change the color right here at the top and change it into white. Same also to this one. And once done, click on the share button at the top right, and we're going to download this. Then enable this transparent background and then click on download. Now, once this file or this image is downloaded, we want to go to that image and we're going to upload it again on our Canva. So as you can see here, we have just uploaded that PNG file. Next, we're going to select and find an image. So going to elements and search for an image. For example, this one is like a beach. So we're going to select any of the beach images from the photos gallery. And from here, you have a bunch of selection. So for example, if you want this, you can drag and drop, or you can just select another one. For example, you want like a darker image, just drag and drop, or maybe this one here, or maybe we will like to change it with this one. All right. So if you're okay with this one, go to uploads, and then you can now add the image that we have just created like this, and you just resize it according to the presentation size or the slide like this, and then select this image again. Then we're going to select the edit photo section at the top, and then we're going to scroll down and find shadows and then select on drop. So as you can see the design, then go to distance and make it 0. Right, so we want to resize this one, so drag on the corners so you can fit in to your background, right, like this. Now we're going to create another page, so click on the add page section right here at the bottom. Once you click on the add page, then we can now basically create another slide, so we can use that code again. So basically I have just saved that code or that keyword on my notepad. Okay, over here, and copy this one and again paste it right here. Then you will find the design that we want to add for this second slide. So we're going to use another element here like this, but this time we're going to put here at the middle part, and then we're going to basically add the image. For example, this one here. So just drag and drop, and we're going to the layer and set it backward or send to back right here, and then we're going to change the color of this element, and then we would like to change it into white like this. Then we can add a square shape to basically hide the excess image right from here. All right, and then we can basically change it into white color. So there you have it. Now we can add another font right here. So you can add your fonts or details about the slide. So as you can see, I have just created this slide. So we just need to make this one using this element. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.